it's funny because that video that I did created myself. I do like a lot of these videos myself. It's really easy for me. And a lot of my videos do go viral on my page, but I teach how to do these videos on inside the Grow Your Money Club and a wealth of other things. So I teach you how to invest in stock because I invest in stock. So everything I know how to do, I teach it. So I invested in real estate. I'm an real estate investor. I've had commercial buildings and Airbnbs, multi-units, all of those things. And so I teach how to invest in real estate. I teach how to repair your credit, how to write a book. There's tons of trainings, over 30 trainings inside the Grow Your Money Club. And so if you are not a member of the Grow Your Money Club, you need to be a member of the Grow Your Money Club because there are tons of trainings and it's a great investment into yourself. Have you joined the Grow Your Money Club yet? If not, why not? The Grow Your Money Club is a comprehensive program designed to take you through the complete wealth building journey. We don't just offer random courses, we guide you along a clear path, starting with fixing your credit and becoming a certified credit expert, to building your business, increasing your cash flow, diversifying your portfolio, and ultimately letting your money work for you. With over 30 trainings designed to increase your net worth, you get to either purchase the trainings individually or go through the 12-month roadmap. Here are just a few of the courses. From campus to cash flows, this is teaching your children to become real estate investors. The wealth map training shows you how to eliminate your debt, increase your credit, and diversify your revenue streams. You can learn to write your book using ChatGPT. Learn how to build your online community. What about 8 ways to make money using AI? Oh, and here's 7 online revenue streams to fund your $1 million dream. How about learning how to purchase tax deeds or land banks? What about getting started in government contracting? If you're a rookie, the Real Estate for Rookies training has everything you need. The Business Blueprint training will help you build your business foundation, get business credit, get business funding, and learn how to pay yourself so that you can scale your business to the next level. Or perhaps you want to create jaw-dropping video content using CapCut, Midjourney, and ChatGPT. There are so many trainings and master classes within the Grow Your Money Club, and I also drop 1 new training per month. You do not want to miss out on this opportunity to invest in yourself because guess what? You are your biggest commodity. You are your biggest investment. Join the Grow Your Money Club today. So the reason why I come here every day is to educate you in some way. So that's what that is. That's what the Grow Your Money Club is. So if you're interested in the Grow Your Money Club, that's also another great way for you to invest in yourself, to get all the training that you need so that you can grow in some way. I know people on here like Miss Sophia says she's grown her credit like 200 points in a few months since being inside the Grow Your Money Club. So there's a lot of great information inside that. And so my goal is to just, I see problems and I try to offer solutions. That's what I do. There are a lot of secrets that just a lot of people don't know that other people, our white counterparts are doing or have done, and that we just don't know or we don't do. And they're not hard secrets. They're not like these big trade secrets, and it's not any like I see a lot of like these influencers that are telling people to like commit fraud in some way. It's nothing like that. But there are things that you can do to really grow and enhance your money. Einstein said, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Those who know about it make money from it, and those who don't, they pay it.